Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable offload unused apps on your iPhone running iOS version 14.3. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened. And also let me show you guys first that I have iOS version 14.3 installed on this iPhone device. So let me tap on this general and then let me tap on this about. And you can see guys here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.3 installed on this iPhone XR. So let me go back. Let me go back again. So in order to enable or disable offload unused apps on your iPhone, what you need to do, you have to open your settings app, and after that guys you have to scroll down to App Store and then tap on it to open it. So let me go to that. So here I have this App Store. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to go at the bottom. You can see here we have this option offload unused apps. And you can see guys currently it's disabled. You can see the toggle is currently disabled. And also here we have this message. Let's read that. Automatically remove unused apps but keep all documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So in order to enable this, you have to tap on this toggle next to this offload unused apps and move this slider to the right. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now enabled. And whenever you want to disable this, you have to tap on this toggle next to this offload unused apps and move this slider to the left. So let me tap on this because I want to show you. You can see it's now disabled. But I want to enable this, so let me tap on this toggle and move this slider to the right. I'm tapping on it, and you can see it's now enabled. And after you're done with your option, you can close this settings app. So let me close that. So that's it. In this way, you can easily enable or disable offload unused apps on your iPhone running iOS version 14.3. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.